Hey everybody from Costa. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Got another load of metal, just driving around. You know, it's the same lesson all the time with people. They always hit me up like, why do you do this? Well, I get an extra 150 bucks a month just driving back and forth to work. And then when you do this all the time, people will actually bring stuff to you, call you to pick it up, and you get some good stuff. Now you gotta always be careful, strap your loads down, don't drop this stuff on people. Be safe to yourself and others while you're driving. So let's go take this in and see what we get with this little load. Welcome to the Scrap Metal Center. Little June gloom in SoCal. Nothing but the hustle and the big mountain of steel coming up. Get weighed. Then we'll dump this. My videos, it's the same thing all the time, but it's always the same. You gotta hustle. Don't get a fancy car if you can't afford it. Get a truck, move stuff, make some money. I am getting to do a lot of stuff with these hustles. Be safe. Let's see how much we make. I guess LA City Metro's gonna order another one because they scrapping that one. Dude. Dang. You go, Metro. All right, there we have it to wrap it up. I had 860 pounds, $170 a gross ton. Cool $65.26. I get kids that tell me, oh man, I want to make some money. They have access to a truck, but they'd rather sit and play Fortnite for like 12 hours straight. I'm not against playing games. Don't complain. Don't let me hear you complain that you can't do something when you refuse to get up and hustle. Get out there and hustle, kids. Talk to you on the next. Be safe.